Hello, welcome to the Speculation Lab. Top trader TTC, boasting 2 million followers, states that if he could meet his novice self, he would tirelessly advise that the CEST strategy is the only viable approach to intraday trading. This is because, over his decade-long trading career, it has proven to be the most effective strategy he has ever used. He deeply trusts this money printer that has consistently generated profits for him. I will conduct a series of 100 consecutive trade backtests in the cryptocurrency market to see if it truly is profitable. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stick around until the end, as this could potentially save your wallet this year. This strategy utilizes a free TradingView indicator and a very specific set of operational rules. You could even use it as a checklist before placing orders. The strategy requires referring to 2 different time frames. The first step involves using a larger time frame to determine the direction of the trading trend. This is done using the EMA 50 moving average and consecutive higher highs and lower lows, and it's made clear that trading should not occur during consolidation periods or when the trend is unclear. A clear trend is crucial. Taking Bitcoin as an example, we use the 4-hour chart to determine the trend in the larger time frame. Open the indicator search bar, type in EMA, save it to your favorites, and add it to your chart. Set the time length to 50 and the color to white. When the price is above the EMA 50 line and there are consecutive higher highs and higher lows, both conditions indicate an uptrend. In such a scenario, look for buying opportunities within this uptrend. Opportunities for trend-following purchases arise after a new higher high is breached and the price pulls back near the previous peak. Conversely, when the price is below the EMA 50 line and there are consecutive lower highs and lower lows, these conditions signify a downtrend. In a downtrend, look for selling opportunities. You can find opportunities to sell in line with the trend after a new lower low is breached and the price rebounds near the previous trough. Once the direction of the trade is determined, the second step is to switch to the smaller 15-minute chart to search for 2 specific trading structures: double tops and double bottoms, or head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders. When the candlestick's closing price breaks above or below the neckline of these structures, it confirms the price action. Enter the trade at the candlestick's closing price when the trend exhibits a clear double bottom structure. When the price breaks the neckline, you can enter a long position at the candlestick's closing price. Let's examine a head and shoulders example. First, observe the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. You can see that the current price is both below the EMA 50 and showing consecutive lower highs and lower lows. This indicates a downward trend on a larger scale, and we should look for opportunities to short during price rebounds. Switching to the 15-minute chart, during the rebound, a clear head and shoulders pattern emerges. When the candlestick's closing price breaks below the neckline, we can enter a short position at the candlestick's closing price. The third step is to set stop losses and take profits, which can be determined based on the structure of the trend and the position of the trade. Stop losses can be set near significant support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones, previous highs and lows, and at the end of double tops and bottoms or head and shoulders patterns, etc. Take profits can be set in a similar manner, or you can opt for scaling out of positions. Alternatively, adopting a fixed 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio is a straightforward method. The CEST trading strategy framework is as follows. CEST is an acronym where C stands for conditions, which refers to the entry conditions. This involves observing the EMA 50 and the pattern of higher highs and lower lows on a larger time frame to determine whether the conditions meet the criteria for either long or short entries. E stands for entry, indicating the mode of entry, which could be either double tops and bottoms or head and shoulders patterns. S stands for stop, referring to the placement of stop losses. T stands for targets, indicating the profit targets. Now it's time to showcase the results of my testing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and review the test data. It will reveal what your wallet could have experienced if you had been using the CEST strategy. TTC believes that professional traders understand and validate a trading strategy through extensive statistical analysis of numerous trades, fully aware that both losses and gains are part of the strategy's performance. This is essential to ensure confidence in the strategy and to verify its trustworthiness. The quickest way to achieve this is through backtesting, with a sample size of no less than 100 opportunities. The test was conducted on the Bitcoin to USD pair using 4-hour and 15-minute charts, covering 87 consecutive trades. The test period spanned from August 7, 2018 to July 16, 2022, encompassing 1,804 trading days, capturing all trading opportunities in the OKX exchange's complete candlestick data. The Zigzag++ indicator was used as an aid for identifying highs and lows, with manual adjustments made and depth set to 11. The win rate for a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio was 63.22%. For 1-to-2 it was 49.4%. For 1-to-3 it was 42.5%. For above 1-to-5 it was 28.7%. And for above 1-to-10 it was 13.8%. Using a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, the total return was 80.12%. I rate this strategy a 6 out of 10. It's a trend-following strategy, to be combined with other indicators like Fibonacci or MACD for enhanced signals, significantly improving win rates. For those unfamiliar with resonance signals, revisiting content on supply and demand trading and price action could be beneficial. If you've decided to use this strategy, it's certainly worth your time to optimize it. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more profitable trading contents. I wish you a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Goodbye.